Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Founder channel. Topic in this video, I'm going to share you about Financial Freedom for Lazy People, which a comprehensive guide to achieving financial independence without sacrificing your lifestyle or sanity. Today's fast-paced world, the pressure to achieve financial success can feel overwhelming, leaving many feeling stressed and burnt out. But what if I told you that financial freedom is within reach, even for the laziest among us? In this guide, we'll explore practical strategies and actionable tips to help you take control of your finances and pave the way towards a life of abundance and freedom. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your financial journey, join us as we embark on a path to financial liberation for lazy people and everyone in between. Let's get started on the journey towards financial freedom, where laziness meets prosperity. Chapter 1: Embracing Remote Work for Balance and Productivity. In today's moving world, the traditional 9-to-5 work model is changing. Thanks to advancements, remote work has become increasingly popular. Working remotely offers a chance for individuals to strike a balance between their work and personal lives. Picture yourself managing your job tasks from 9 to 5 while also dedicating time to your passion project during breaks. Remote work allows you to seamlessly blend your job duties with pursuing your ambitions. Whether you're participating in meetings or collaborating with team members, virtually working remotely enables you to enhance your effectiveness and output. Whether you prefer working from home, a cafe, or a peaceful outdoor setting, remote work lets you select a workspace that suits you best. Embrace remote work as a way to boost flexibility and productivity in chasing your career goals while nurturing your drive. Chapter 2: Cultivating Your Side Hustle. Do build your side hustle. A side hustle is not just something that you kinda like doing. A side hustle is what you do that you obsess over and can't wait to make your full-time job. Now, having taken a second to think about what you're most passionate about and the skills you bring to the world, this is the point where, once you pour your mind into it, you'll find a hearty enjoyment in nailing what you're most naturally predisposed to be good at and put your energy into channeling it towards your side hustle. Devote those extra hours to nurturing and growing your entrepreneurial pursuit. Start building your social presence and developing a crowd of your values and my values. The way of networking and collaborating in furthering your side hustle ideas supports others. Your side hustle is your expression of creativity, dedication, and an entrepreneurial spirit. Love it and watch it grow. Chapter 3: Embrace Consistent Growth. We delve into one of the most critical aspects of constant growth and acceptance of what applies to you in the journey, building the right side hustle for you. Building that side hustle has a lot to do with growing a plant that is sure to bear fruits in full bloom. It requires much patience and persistence. Understand that success doesn't come overnight, but as a result of continued dedication and perseverance to something. When results don't roll in immediately, of course, stay loyal to your vision, just keep going. Celebrate the little wins, they are the building blocks to your ultimate success. Enjoy the growing or improvement process, since every step taken inches one closer to their goal. Always remember that remaining consistent and experiencing growth is the key to unlock your full potential and capture financial freedom. Chapter 4: Mastering Budgeting Techniques. We check out skills that exist to empower your journey towards financial freedom through mastering budgeting techniques. Budgeting is a component of taking control over your financial destiny. Drawing a detailed budget spreadsheet or using available apps for this purpose is recommended for this purpose. Analyze your spending habits and further cut back on any unnecessary expenses possible. Allocate a portion of your income to saving and investment before other expenses. Set in advance some financial goals, such as saving a down payment on a house, getting rid of all your debts, planning some savings, etc. Focus and maintain consistency with the budget. Through it, realize that saving $1 is another step towards financial freedom. Remember, mastering budgeting techniques is the cornerstone of building a secure financial future. Chapter 5. Prioritize saving. Savings is one of the first necessities. It should figure among the things you must do that will position you on the right footing with your financial goals. It should be made known that such amounts are not only for spending, it must be placed before other financial conditions later on in life. Set up a totally automatic transfer system that will move the money from your checking account to save. It is a good, constant, and regular policy-saving practice. Save yourself first by making a specific saving before going ahead to pay other financial responsibilities. Set clear savings goals and be keen in keeping a close watch over the same at all times to remain motivated and bound to account, and each dollar saved takes you close to being financially free and independent. Paying yourself first is not a habit, rather a mindset towards a secured, flourishing tomorrow. Chapter 6. Reject excessive spending. In this material world, temptation is high as consumerism has taken root, and one is easily tempted to spend a lot on something that actually is not needed. Get over impulse, splurging on things that only give intense but short pleasure and have negligible long-term value. Simplify life and take stock of what it is that you really have. And always remember, experiencing things is better than having to own a lot of things. Cultivating the feeling of thankfulness for and contentment with what we have, instead of rushing to seek appreciation from others in acquiring new things, will welcome a minimalistic life with the least needed expenses that resonate value and bring happiness genuinely. Rejecting recrimination is not a matter of denying yourself, but this is self-of-life, financial control, and gaining real satisfaction from little things. Chapter 7. Diversify income streams. How to bring more stability into your financial life and make you more independent in the process. A one-source income leaves you resource vulnerable. React by diversifying your sources of income acquisition and general livelihood beyond one job. Think about freelancing, stocks or property, creating digital products, creating things out of your hobby or even your skill. Slowly start making a lot from just a few. Many ways to multiply your sources of earnings. Ensure you do scratch every possibility to make passive money. Overall, the multiple streams of income really ground you with good financial stability and more freedom in carrying out what you want to do. So, diversifying income streams is one strategic goal you set for yourself towards financial freedom. Chapter 8. Seize investment opportunities. Investing so as to increase your money and have something for your future financial security. Sensible investments help develop financial independence in this world of economic uncertainty. Learn about diverse avenues for investment, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and alternatives. Observe the market trends and get investment opportunities when certain trends favor you. Develop a strategy of investment that imparts one discipline and patience. Realize that the behavior of a successful investor should be long-term in nature. Properly diversify your investment portfolio in such a manner that spreads on the risks and maximize the return potential. Get help from investment opportunities when they appear and make the choices that will pave the way for financial success, nurturing the goal of financial freedom. Chapter 9. Embrace frugality for long-term prosperity. Elaboration of the concept of frugality toward long-term prosperity. Frugality is thinking twice before incurring expenses, not denied to find fine things, but making wise and mindful choices in relation to finances. Embrace a frugal living by accepting simple changes into life, such as setting out to prepare meals for oneself, buying second-hand stuff, and decreasing the number of unnecessary expenses. Quality will start to matter over quantity, and experience can now matter over stuff. Use the appreciation of coupons, discounts, and loyal appreciations to secure lower prices of whatever it is that one would need. Having fun should be free or relatively low-cost sources that life may offer one. This is so because living frugally is not an ideal that reduces happiness, but is totally a commitment to taking good care of oneself in this area of life and setting the pace for long-standing success. Chapter 10: Conquer Debt for Financial Liberation. It should be understood that today we shall look on how to conquer your debt for good while on the road to financial freedom. Debt has the capability of being the great anchor holding back the ship of our dreams and goals. Work on knocking down those debts aggressively by creating a structured plan, non-essential spending, and funnel that money to debt paydown as quickly as possible. You might want to consider debt consolidation and, of course, negotiation, which can make the payment process much easier and reduce interest rates. Each of these dollars paid should be treated as a red letter day. Sometimes you have to remind yourself that it's absolutely another dollar closer to the freedom you want. By beating your debt, you're literally clearing the way for something so much better and bigger to live by without constraint from your financial life. During this adventure, you've gained the knowledge and hands-on tactics to manage your finances effectively and set the course for a future filled with prosperity and independence. Keep in mind, achieving freedom goes beyond wealth accumulation. It involves living life according to your preferences and chasing after your interests and aspirations free from the burdens of money concerns. By following the advice laid out in this manual, making choices, saving consistently, investing prudently, and embracing a lifestyle, you can pave the way for a prosperous and satisfying future. So go forth with confidence, knowing that you have the knowledge and tools to build the life you desire. Here's to your journey towards financial freedom for lazy people and everyone in between. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, so that you won't miss out on good knowledge from Brainy Founder channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.